How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my very first Find Your Fever episode. Today, got the camo on, got the bow ready. We're gonna be sitting at a spot that I set up not too long ago, and the little history behind it is when I first started setting up and I first started putting corn on the ground, the pigs just weren't cooperating. They weren't coming in, super skittish, coming in maybe around like midnight, 11:30, just hours that I would normally not really, be headed into a spot. And I didn't want to wait that long either. So we finally, today, super excited. We got some pigs underneath the feeder. And I'm just super stoked. Got off of work early, get out here, enjoy what I do. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a good one. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited too. All right, see you guys at the spot. All right, guys, made it into the tree stand. Dumped out a whole bunch of corn. We're looking pretty good. Just gotta stay quiet. Hopefully they come in. Well, guys, couldn't have asked for a better way to end the night. Went down there, checked for blood. It's a murder scene down there, man. I mean, I punched her. I mean, the shot took my time, steady. I was shaking. This whole tree was shaking. It feels so good. I've been trying to hunt this pig for I don't know how many months, how many hours. I've come here almost every night trying to put her down, and it's finally reality's hitting. But it goes to show you guys, don't give up, man. These pigs are tough. They're out here in the wild surviving, and I give them props, man, because that was crazy. And I'm stoked. Let's go get onto some blood, man. Let's go. All right, guys, this is where I shot her. As you can see, good old blood sports did the trick, and you can already see where she ran. Yep, that's a good shot right there. As you can see, got some more blood over here. She is dripping. 100 grain broadheads did the trick. All right, let's keep going. Bingo. She's down, guys. She is down. All right, let me drag her out. As you can see, I'm in some pretty thick stuff. Right on, guys. Success. Always feel super great. Get out here, get out of the house, and do what I love, man. Got the hog fever, still shaky a little bit. Stay blessed, guys. All right, hard work does really pay off in the end. Got a beautiful sow down. Plenty meat on the table for dinner. You know, I might do a catch and cook, so let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see next, what kind of, you know, broadheads you want me to use, anything really. I'm up for the task. I'm up for it. I love coming out here, putting shots on some hogs, putting them down. You know, patience has really been the hardest factor to get over during this hunt after this sow, because plenty of opportunities happen, but you know, you really just want to wait for that perfect shot, that ethical kill. And yeah, guys, I mean, as you can see, patience paid off. I'm blessed today with a beautiful sow. That's pretty much the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. It really helps out. Just anything in the comments that you guys want to, you know, see in future videos or just know about. I mean, I'm no professional bowman, but you know, I know a little tricks up my sleeve. Yeah, guys, right on. Got a pig down. Catch you guys on the next one.